I'll create a new skill and name it NER Demo. After the skill has been created, I'll upload a document by clicking Upload. I'll go to the Activities section where I can create and edit activities and see all activities that have been created. I'll create a new Named Entities NER activity. In the Fields section, we can see the document that was uploaded. Also, I can create and edit fields, mark up these fields, and so on. I'll create new, repeatable fields to help facilitate an anonymization requirement where we need to first locate, then hide confidential information. I'll create fields for people's names, organizations' names, dates, addresses, money sums, location, and duration. I can make them repeatable by enabling Allow Multiple Items in the Advanced setting of the fields. Then I'll save the settings. Let's mark these fields up. To do this, I'll click on the field and then select the corresponding text in the document. Again, all these fields are set as repeatable. I'll go to the Activity section. We can see that the input source is the entire document as opposed to fields. Here I need to select all fields in the Activity Properties, then click Create Mapping. In the Activity Properties pane in the Output Fields section, I'll map all the fields that need to be anonymized, and then save the results. I'll click Test and view the results. Here we can see that some fields are red. I can copy the data from the fields with mistakes marked in red from the Predicted tab and paste these values into the Reference tab. This will improve the statistics summary and recognition overall. In this scenario, I demonstrated how to locate all the targeted repeatable items in the documents. This approach will help as another example with Office of Foreign Assets Control, aka OFAC, scenarios, where we can check for and hide data that can be in OFAC-related documents. Vantage Advanced Designer will help find all the repeatable field instances, after which it is possible to hide this confidential data. Anonymization is just one of many powerful reasons to use NER in ABBYY Vantage Advanced Designer.